Okay, this is another track off the Amethyst album, which was released in May of 2024. Coming up to the 2-year anniversary soon. 3 months away. It's called The Crocodile Song. Love, when it's over we hang on, but it's like a crocodile spinning you around under the water. We try not to let go, know that it's not going to end well. Cutting of the powerful long jaws leave you scarred and wish you'd never had entered the water. Like love would end, did you feel ripped apart? We may come up for the last dance. Now we have to walk the path of life alone. We will go on and find another love that'll be by our side. And the crocodile will never ever hold. Love that is true will carry on. That's the travelling minstrel. We travel all around the country. Heading off to Queensland soon, catching the wildlife out in Queensland. So hang around for that. It's coming up around about July. This is the second last track off the album. To the Angels. The angels, we need to walk along beside our way. Guide us to the nowhere. Well, we're in the middle of nowhere, you know. You just turn up at random places and it's great to, you know, discover more of your own country, I think, before you travel abroad. Out in the country, away from the city. It's so quiet and peaceful out here. All I can hear is the staccatos. The song's called Talk is Cheap. You don't know what to say, so please just go away. Come back another day, and most appropriately, sometimes we don't have the right words to say. Until then, I'll stay away. Talk is cheap. That's what Jesus said. Your tongue is like a ladder that stairs the course of your life. Crazy words keep from my lips, so dear Lord. Talk is cheap. That's what Jesus said. Talk is cheap. Talk can be cheap. Talk is cheap. Sometimes can be cheap. Close call that was. Yeah. It's too windy. Sorry guys. Okay, windy. Yeah. It's just going over.